Now you're set. Ready, set, go! You can run into the wall, little girl.
Is that your horn?
Oh. Oh, there goes the kitty cat. You want to go get him?
Is that Panda Oreo? Yeah, that's Panda Oreo.
Come on, let's go this way. Come on, come this way. Come on. Mommy just has all kinds of video cameras. Oh.
Do you want this
Yeah, you need bumpers on the walls. We're all waiting for
She's
you.
turning. Look at that face.
It's from the light on my phone.
Talila.
See, this hallway's not big enough for the both of us. Move it or lose it.
Yeah, Mom.
She's running. Come on. Yay!
You should have really painted your room lavender.
You look like a little grandma there with that little lips like that. All right, let's turn you around again.
Bye-bye. All right, going that way. Go ahead. Go get Baba's car. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Go.
Oh, is that cool?
Come on. Come on. See if she runs into it. Wait, don't back it up till she starts going.
I can't.
You can't control it.
No, I can't. It doesn't reach to her.
Why?